my baby chicken. Oh, look at the baby. Oh, yes. The pretty girl. Oh, you got some spunk in you. Did I do the wrong thing? Did I touch you or feather in the wrong way? I'm sorry. Look at that baby. It's my pretty, pretty girl. I love you. What's that pretty, pretty girl? I love chicken tickles. Take a chicken kisses. Take a chicken kisses. I love you. I love you. You're such a pretty girl. That's my favorite chicken time, is having chicken tickles. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's so pretty. You are such a pretty birdie. Hey. This is my girl. Gotta do some crop clearing. Come on, kiss. Are you a pretty girl? Who's that pretty girl? Oh, yeah. You're so soft. Oh, such a good girl. I love you. Come here and kiss. I love you. Good girl. You are such a pretty, pretty girl. Mommy's got a double chin, something like that. Yeah. Oh, you're such a pretty, pretty girl. She's my chicken baby. I love you.